They're hanging out with their bestie.
She's hanging.
They're hanging out with their bestie.
No, Jila.
Where's the doggy?
Ilana, she's hanging right there on the pillows.
Oh, that doggy is grumpy. That doggy is grumpy. Yeah.
What here?
Oh,
Oh.
that doggy is she nice? Oh, can I borrow your doggy?
Yes.
Okay.
Go walk your
So,
doggy.
yeah, sit here. So you wanna join the bestie?
Okay.
Bestie. Uh-oh.
Grandma naman. No, I already paid mine.
Bestie, there you go.
Which one, Daddy?
Hola.
Wait right there down.
Okay, there you go, bestie. Bestie, they're doing bestie.
Oh, this one. I tried this on the toes. Hapdi kaya tayo bukas.
Bakit? Ano meron? Ay, papasok na lang ako. Ayan.
Where we putting your sticker?
Ay, trabaho pa rin. Hi, bestie.
In the toilet?
Ay, si Lane, naka-live kay Gilana.
I know this one. Okay.
Yan, yan.
In the back. I didn't need shoes.
Oh! Are you cold?
Cold ka ba?
Are you cold?
Bukas ka na maligo ha. I'm not cold.
You wanna take off your top, then your coat?
Give me your coat. I put it back. Oh yeah, I didn't take it off.
You forgot? Thank you, Jean. Hello, Shalane.
Ate Dawn.
Oh, where's the doggy? Doggy needs you. Thank you, Shalane.
You wanna let her down? Jackie is here. Hold me. No, because I want to screen record.
Okay. Andito yun ang ata yung buhok niya.
I just need to comb it.
Hello, Aisa.
It's the fireplace. Come here.
Naka-screen recording siya. Ni Julina na. I thought you on video. Balik na naman siya doon. Ping-pang pum-pam ang gusto niya.
Because ito, you think of anything else?
Ping-pang pum-pam ang gusto niya.
Gift card mo na. Ito, gift card only. I want this card. Yeah.
I'll think of it.
I want this card.
Gift card? You want gift card too?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
And
Oh, you gotta get carried.
Oh, there's your doggy.
get the sticker already.
That's a big house.
Okay.
That's a big house. That's a big house, Juliana.
I'm done.
Oh, that's a nice dress.
That's it.
Yeah, that's all right. Cover it. There you go. Hello, Mads.